What do you want? You want the camera? You want to hold it? Look at your dinosaur. Or your giraffe. You can hold that, huh? Yeah, good job. Straight for the mouth, huh? Straight for the mouth. Is it good? Do you like it? Look at that tongue. Ooh, good job. You get it? You can get it. You can do it. Oh no. Need a little bit of help? Here you go. There you go. Good job. You gotta think hard. That tongue, you sticking that tongue out helps you think, doesn't it? Good job, Pumpkin. Oh, you got it.